Alright, so just wanted to show you guys what's happening. This is in Greater Portmore, Jamaica. And our old clothesline. It's a big grapevine, you can see the trunk. Looks like a tree and not a vine to how thick it is. Anyway, it's growing a whole lot of grapes. And there has been a drought, so the grapes are kind of small. So, yeah, but they're very sweet. And this could be something that takes off in Jamaica because most of the grapes I see in the supermarket are super expensive. But look what's happening in Greater Portmore. This is a small ripe bunch there. Let me see, yeah, right there, yeah. And there's more there, and on the roof there's a lot more. So just bear with me while I climb to get to the top. It's so weird to put this phone now. In fact, I will hold the phone in my hand, so just bear with me. Alright, I'm getting there. And this is what I used to pick the kitchen scissors. I'm going to walk around, so this is just some of the grapes. You see they are small, but that is just because of the rainfall or the lack of rainfall. Very sweet and very flavorful. So that is what I've picked so far. And that is nothing compared to what's on the vine. Here's a bunch that can be picked. Just going to snip it. Snip it with the scissors. I'm just pulling it out. Couple turn ones and some green ones on there. But the rest are mostly ripe. So yeah, this is happening in Greater Portmore. But let me try to give you a scope of how big this one grapevine is. Hold on. So it covers like a whole quarter of the house top. See right there, way up to the front of the house. Alright. So that's the whole vine. And there's a lot more grapes on top. Just imagine if something like this covered everybody's house top. Block out some of the heat. While simultaneously providing sweet grapes. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show.